Check out this Jeep 2019 Cherokee Latitude Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, auxiliary transmission oil cooler and rear window defroster. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.